Today we're at Alton Towers opening our Pretzel Taffy Mill in the Splash Landings Hotel.
Yeah, so we ordered the special pretzel box from Taffy Mill, and it's a one-off box just of pretzel things. So get it while you can, because I don't think they get many boxes left. So let's have a look what we got in it. Lovely packaged as always. Right, let's have a look. So first things first, what have we got? Some Sliders of Hanover jalapeno pretzel pieces. We've got some pretzel M&Ms. They're very nice. We've had those before. So honey mustard and onion pretzel pieces from Snyder's again. Oh, spicy buffalo wing combos. We like combos. We had the pizza ones before, which were really nice. Oh, and we've got some cheddar cheese combos as well.
Oh, our favourite!
A favourite from everybody who buys Taffy Mill, because everybody voted for it. The Hershey's cookies and cream dipped pretzel pieces, or dipped pretzels, whole pretzels, lovely. We've got sweet and salty salted caramel pretzels. They look very nice. We've got some Flips birthday cake covered pretzels. They're new, never seen those before.
Oh, and these Reese's flavoured pretzels.
Reese's. So we've got Reese's dipped pretzels. Again, Snyder's. And I think that's it. So now on to the best bit, the eating. So let's give them a go. Right, so first things first, we're not going to open these ones because we've had these lots of times before and they are very, very nice. So we'll leave those for another day. And also because the kids won't eat them. So we're going to stick to the sweet ones. So first up, we've got some combos. So let's give these a go. Cheddar cheese pretzels. Yum. Right, so this is the combos cheddar cheese flavour. So you're going to try one of those?
They're good.
Are they good?
I like cheese flavoured pretzels too.
They are. So it focuses. They're nice filled cheese pretzel tubes. Let's give that a go. So what do you think of those?
Good.
How many thumbs up for those?
Oh, I think it's only 65.
Only 65. Only 65. Okay.
The cheese is like soft in the middle, isn't it?
Yeah. Really nice. Okay. So next is buffalo blue cheese. These are going to be interesting because I'm not a big fan of blue cheese, but let's give them a go. So buffalo blue cheese.
Smells nice.
Smells nice. We like buffalo. They might be a bit spicy though, so be careful. So again, they're not spicy. So they look the same as the other ones.
They do get a bit spicy as you're eating them, I think.
Yeah, they are.
So how many thumbs up for those ones?
You like them? Yeah.
They're nice
I
and
think
sweet.
that's half.
Half a thumbs up. Well, actually, you can't really taste the blue cheese, can you?
No. It tastes like Philadelphia with herbs, doesn't it?
It
That's
does.
what it tastes
It does. Yeah, very much so. That is it. Yeah.
And it tastes like tastes like strong curry sauce.
Strong curry sauce. A little bit, yeah. Okay. So let's try next the dipped pretzels, which you know we're going to like those, but we'll give you another review of those again.
Before, but they're really nice.
They are very, very
They smell
nice.
very like pretzel.
Yep. So these
Really nice.
they are absolutely delicious. 100% amazing. How many thumbs up for those?
Oh, 1 million.
1 million thumbs up. Okay. So next we've got some birthday cake covered pretzels. You need to give them those a go. So what these look like?
They smell like
Oh,
They
they've got a
smell
little bit of...
They smell like chocolate raisins.
They do a little bit, don't
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, with sprinkles on top. They're very vanilla-y, but those are very nice. Again, lovely vanilla flavour.
It does taste like American frosting.
It does, very much like American frosting.
Very processed.
Very processed, but very nice.
Yes, very sweet, nice.
Okay, so next we've got the Reese's dipped pretzels.
They smell like actual Reese's.
They do. So,
They are made by Reese's.
chocolate and peanut butter. Let's give that a go.
Oh, it just tastes like Reese's. It's so strong.
Yeah, they taste exactly like Reese's. Very, very nice.
But only Pretzel Reese's.
Yeah,
They're good.
very nice. Very nice
Just
indeed.
like it looks like that in Reese's.
Okay, so we've got some sweet and salty pretzel pieces. That's what they look like. So there you go. Try one of those. They look like the normal Snyder's pretzel pieces.
It smells like sugar.
It does. Well, they're very sweet. Oh, and then you get the hit of salt.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I like those. How many
They're
thumbs up
really
for those?
nice. Well, I think it's a little bit less than the other pretzels. Which
Okay.
these ones. It's 67 million.
Wow.
They are
Okay.
very nice.
They are really nice. Okay, so the last thing we're going to try are the pretzel M&Ms. So there you go. You can have one of those. And give me your thumbs up. You want a
Well, it
pretzel
smells
M&M?
like chocolate.
Yeah. Just a little bit off the little one. Oh, very nice. These are always good.
Yeah.
Absolutely delicious.
M&M's are always good. We have them a lot.
So that's it for today. So it's only a quick one today as we're away, but keep up the great work, Taffy Mail, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching Colin tonight.
Okay, bye.